fellas, hello, and today we will change the cord for the Milwaukee charger M12-18C. First of all, we need to get to the back of the charger. Now we can open it, releasing the battery terminal. Okay, we have our PCB out. Here we have the solder paste, which needs to be removed. One cable is out, another one left. Now I have both cables out. And I have white glue here, which I want to remove. Okay, now I will better clean the soldering. Now I have the simple cable, and what I can do with it, because we have this holder, of course we can try to cut this and put the cable in, but it's still a slide backward and forward. So I will make a simple knot here. Tighten it, and now I can easily put the wires in the holes where the old wires was. We'll catch the brown wire. Now it's time for the blue one. Sorry, not waited until it cools down. Okay, this gets hot good. Hardens. Now I will put a blue wire. We'll wait until this cools down. Just checking if the wire is not moving. Okay. You can put everything back. For the wire, now I'm leaving the knot. Of course, I can put it inside of the housing if it fits. It's better. We'll check if it fits or not. Basically, I see that I'm pressing the cable now, so I can make the smaller knot, or I can just put the cable here, side of the holder, and easily close it. And we have successfully replaced the cable for the Milwaukee charger.